All right, my client has been box dyeing her hair for a few years with dark brown. There's been some overlapping, so some pieces are definitely black. The goal was to pull out as much as possible to really soften it up, especially on her ends and around her face. So we did a full tip out, full highlight. This is about as light as she got. I was actually pretty surprised. She got pretty light for our first round, and I did a nice gloss, root shadow, zone 2. Let me know what you guys think.
Because I didn't do black. Oh my god. It's actually perfect. I love you. Thank you so much. I love it. Oh my god. Dude, that's cute. Yeah. I'm actually shocked. This is beautiful. Oh my god. The black is like